to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Valorant not opening or launching in Windows 11 or 10. If you want to fix it, so you want to try this couple of steps. So first thing, you want to completely close the Valorant. So exit out of this page and go to your desktop home page. Right click on the mouse anywhere at the bottom of the screen, go to Task Manager. Here, you want to go ahead and locate Valorant. If you find any of these options or any of these located to Valorant, you want to right click on the mouse and then click on End Task. You want to then go ahead and locate for other options as well. And if you see something related to Valorant, you want to completely close it up. Once you've actually done it, so this should be able to help you out. Now see whether that works or not. If the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is you want to run the Valorant in a compatibility mode. To run Valorant in compatibility mode, you want to first of all open up the file location. So when you open up the file location, when you go to properties, then you want to go to compatibility, and here you want to make sure to click on run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. Afterwards, you also want to make sure to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click the OK button. That should be able to help you out. Despite of doing all of these procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then what you could also do is you could also check for Valorant server status to resolve Valorant launching issue. Sometimes it might be an issue, so you want to go to your browser and on the web address bar you want to type in Valorant server status. You could go to look for the first one, or you could just go to Valorant Town and you could actually go to read about the information. If you're still unable to fix it, so then what you could do is you could simply uninstall the Valorant from your device and then reinstall the updated version. So to uninstall it, you want to go to your search box from the bottom of the page and type in Control Panel. After you locate Control Panel, go to Programs and click on Uninstall a program. Here you want to locate Valorant, right click on the mouse and click on Uninstall. That should be able to help you out. So that is the way you could fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.